Hello and welcome to another edition of OTECC TV. I'm Michael Howell, Communication Specialist for the Oregon Trail Electric Consumers Cooperative, and I'm joined today by Steve Schauer, Manager of Member Services for OTECC. And Steve, you're joining us again today to talk about...
I'd like to talk to our membership about the commercial lighting program. It's one of many conservation programs that we offer our membership. We would like our members to be as energy efficient as they possibly can be. And so we offer a host of programs, but today we're going to concentrate on the commercial lighting program.
In the commercial lighting program, it's for the commercial members. When did this start?
Yes, it is for businesses, and it started about 6 or 7 years ago.
6 or 7 years ago, and how many projects so far?
We have helped probably about 150 members.
Wow.
Some of those projects were quite large. They could have been schools or commercial or industrial facilities that OTECC has. Or that some of the members have in our service territory. Others are quite small, down to the mom and pop grocery store or maybe office that just has a couple of fixtures in it.
Sure. And for the layman like myself, let's talk about the lighting a little bit. What are the differences? How does the lighting work?
Well, back in the old days, I've got an example here.
Okay.
Is much of our lighting is what we call a T12 fluorescent tube. This is 1.5 inches in diameter. And these are the old style type lamps, and they're kind of an energy hog as far as we're concerned. They do okay at lighting. There's better things on the market. The magnetic ballast powers these, so these lamps consume, of course, electricity at a certain rate. The ballast also consumes electricity. And so we would like folks to move over to this type of lamp.
Well, that's much thinner.
Yeah, much thinner. This is called a T8. It's 1 inch in diameter. Don't let the size fool you. It will put out more light, better light, and it will reduce your energy consumption.
Just to show people the difference in size. That's about half the size.
Yeah. Actually, this is 1.5 inches, called a T12, and this is a T8, which is 1 inch.
Wow.
And so we encourage folks, of course, what powers this lamp is an electronic ballast that does not use any energy, and so you reduce your energy consumption by at least 30%.
Fascinating.
So this is one type of lamp, of course. The fluorescents, we also offer rebates for compact fluorescents, whether they're screw-in or stab-in. There's also rebates for occupancy or exit lights, I should say, and that sort of thing.
So they can do a whole lighting retrofit, just like the program says.
Exactly. Another lamp that I have here is even smaller. Again, don't let the size fool you. This is called a T5 HO. The HO stands for high output. This little lamp, powered with a specific ballast, really throws out a tremendous amount of light. And in a fixture of 4 or 5 lamps, it's meant to replace like a metal halide fixture that you would find in an industrial facility.
Wow. Or like the old school gyms or something like that.
Exactly. In fact, we've converted most of the school gyms, but if there's any out there left or anybody who's got metal halides that are on quite a bit, we would like to be able to convert those so you're more energy efficient.
Wow. So you do the commercial lighting retrofit program. What kind of payback time? I mean, obviously there's an investment here. So what kind of payback time can folks expect?
Well, usually the paybacks are 2 to 3 years, something like that. Not too bad. We offer a rebate for these retrofits, and it's on a per fixture basis. And then also, we would also help you with the paperwork so that you could apply for a business energy tax credit.
Oh, okay.
And so that's another avenue of benefit that you can get to help offset the cost of the job.
Wow, and for a business that's interested in this, what should they do?
They simply need to contact their local OTECC office. We have reps that will come out and conduct a free commercial lighting retrofit audit, and they'll go through your entire facility, look everything over, count up the fixtures, do up a spreadsheet, show you what your energy savings will be, what our rebate will be, and then you can start with the project right away.
All right. Are there any other features we need to know about, or they just need to call the reps?
Just call your local member service rep at your local OTECC office.
Okay, and those numbers are in the phone book. You can also find them on the OTECC website. So Steve, I want to thank you once again for joining us here on this edition of OTECC TV.
Thank you very much, Michael.